Hello everyone, are you curious about whether Mars can get hit by comets? Let's explore. The possibility of celestial bodies colliding with Mars, including comets, is a topic that has intrigued astronomers and space enthusiasts for decades. While Mars has a lower chance of being impacted by comets compared to Earth, the potential for such events raises intriguing questions about the planet's geological history, surface features, and the potential for life. Comets are icy bodies composed of dust, rock, and volatile compounds that orbit the Sun in highly elliptical trajectories. As they approach the inner solar system, comets can come into close proximity to Mars, posing a potential collision risk. However, the likelihood of a comet striking Mars depends on various factors, including the comet's trajectory, Mars' orbital path, and the gravitational interactions between the two bodies. Unlike Earth, which has a dense atmosphere capable of burning up smaller objects entering its atmosphere, Mars has a much thinner atmosphere, making it more susceptible to impacts from space debris. While Mars' atmosphere can provide some level of protection against smaller meteoroids and asteroids, it may not be sufficient to prevent larger comets from reaching the planet's surface. Historically, astronomers have observed occasional comet impacts on Mars, although these events are relatively rare compared to impacts on Earth. The most notable example is the impact of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 fragments on Jupiter in 1994. While Jupiter's massive size and gravitational influence make it a more common target for comet impacts, Mars remains susceptible to similar events, albeit on a smaller scale. The potential impact of a comet on Mars could have significant implications for the planet's surface features and geological processes. Depending on the size and composition of the comet, an impact could create craters, ejecta blankets, and other geological formations, altering the Martian landscape and providing valuable insights into the planet's history and evolution. Additionally, the release of energy from a comet impact could generate seismic waves that propagate through the Martian crust, providing scientists with valuable data about the planet's internal structure and composition. By studying the aftermath of comet impacts on Mars, scientists can gain a better understanding of the planet's geology, climate history, and potential habitability. While the chances of a catastrophic comet impact on Mars are relatively low, the possibility remains a subject of interest for astronomers and planetary scientists. To better understand the risk posed by comets and other celestial bodies, astronomers conduct regular observations and monitoring of near-Earth objects using ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories. In recent years, advances in telescope technology and computational modeling have enabled scientists to better predict the trajectories of comets and other potentially hazardous objects, reducing the risk of impact events and providing early warning systems for potential threats to Earth and other celestial bodies. In summary, while Mars is less likely to be impacted by comets compared to Earth, the potential for such events raises intriguing questions about the planet's geological history, surface features, and the potential for life. By studying the impact of comets and other celestial bodies on Mars, scientists can gain valuable insights into the planet's evolution, climate history, and habitability, furthering our understanding of the red planet and its place in the solar system. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.